what's happening? Day 2 here in New Jersey. Of course, TSD Motorsports hooked us up with an opportunity of a lifetime to work in their workshop. Already, first experience is fucking lit. Everything's there, their experience. Look at the logo, it's got like a G80 and an F80, of course, the best cars out here. Anyways, without further ado, look at it. It's an MHC dripped out M2 G87 in for Öhlins Road Track. Come on, let's have it. All right, I couldn't walk away without showing you the goods. Let's have a little look. What's inside the trunk? No spec, these M2s, but more importantly, look at that shit. Wow. Wow. Let's get something saucy. Nice collars to drop in. Let's go. All right. What are we doing?
We'll roll the tape.
Let's roll the tape. What am I taping for? So, of course, we need to check the stock ride height. We've got to keep care of those measurements. It's so important, especially when we're not corner weighting it, aligning it. Today, we need to make sure that we're dropping it exactly where the customer wants it, and it's consistent all the way around. Alright, what's happening? We are now at 10:20 actually, and the M2 is on the ramp, ready to go. So Road Track, Öhlins are being installed right now. The kit looks absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Read the instructions, so we're fully aware of what we've got to do. But yeah, let's get it up in the air, get the stock suspension out, and start building up the suspension. BTS, we've got a tool check. He's got the full Milwaukee lineup. I've not seen this one before, excited. This is lit. We do need to get this at R44, but this is my favorite. This is the 1-key M18. This boy, code that bitch in via Bluetooth. Talk. Anyways, got my boys. We're active. Anyways, we're gonna assemble the suspension here, make it all look nice. Let's go. Alright, so the car is finally done. We are done here. It is exactly 5:30. So it's been a good day, pretty tired, very dirty. Wow, that's a bit of pizza grease and everything in between. But more importantly, let's check the ride height. So this car was 660 mil stock and then 670 mil. And the way that I measure that is pretty much putting the tape measure on the bottom of the rim and then putting a mark on the fender. If you don't want to do a mark, you can just measure from the bottom of the fender liner. But let's measure it now. I've also just adjusted this, so we started at 660 millimeters, now at 620, so a nice 40 mil drop on the front. And now let's have a look at the rear. Again, so we started at, from that line to the bottom of the rim was 670, and now we're at 630, so a nice 40 mil drop as well. So yeah, pretty nice, good starting point on this car. The customer can always play around from now on, but it's all locked up. We've adjusted it, so we're going to remove our markers And what the customer can do when he gets home, he can measure it from the bottom of the rim to this, and then keep that noted, and he can adjust it as he wishes. But feedback has been, it drives amazing. The best thing we've got to do is put it on the circuit and feel it for real. But let's have a look at it.